All righty. All right. Today, we're going to get them for what they did to us yesterday. Asian session got us last night, but today we're going to get it back. We're going to get them back today. We're going to get them back today for what they did to us last night. Let's get this, guys. All right, everybody. We're going to get them back today. They got us yesterday, but today is going to be our day. Mark out this first 15 minutes. Almost over, so I'm going to go ahead and call that the bottom. Waiting for this orb to finish. I'm in a trade right now on one of my accounts, but I was in that trade before the orb, so I'm just holding it still. So right now we got another 5 minutes until the orb is finished. I'm gonna wait for that before I take a trade on any other accounts. One more minutes on this orb. Just waiting right now. See what it's gonna do. Let it play out. Gotta get them back. Because yesterday they did us dirty. They pretty much did all my friends dirty today. Everyone took a hit on the market today. So tonight we gotta get it back. I got done dirty. But that was my own fault. I made a mistake. It was completely on me. All right. One of my accounts is up like 150 right now. I might just take this just for now and then wait for another entry. We're up 200 on this. We're up 200 on this trade right here. I just take this. I'll take that. 175 is a 150 now. I'll wait. Should have taken that 200. Just a quick little bonus at the beginning of this session. I got a feeling today might be slow in the Asian session. We're sitting at all-time highs right now. Going back towards that 200, I'm gonna take it if we get there again. If we hit that 200 again, I'm gonna take it this time. Is that 200 that I said I was gonna take?
Order filled.
The slippage is ridiculous. I closed that at 200 flat. Gave me 188. That's complete bullshit, honestly. It is what it is, though. I don't know what's going on with Tradebait lately, but their slippage has completely been just trash. I clearly closed the trade at 200, 205, and it gave me 188.48. It's complete bullshit. But when it goes against it, you close out negative, and it's going to give you every cent. Crazy. I don't know why it's been doing that. They didn't used to be like that. Tradebait never had slippage. I'm gonna have to go try a different prop firm, try a different broker. Of course, I should have stayed in. The thing is shooting up now. All right, this is our orb now. Got our orb in place. All right, that's our orb high and our orb low in place. Orange. Switch to the 5-minute now. Gonna watch in the 5-minute. Wait to see if we get a retest on this orb break. I'm not gonna fight the orb today. I've been fighting the orb for the last couple of days and it's been going without me. So I'm gonna take it today. I just don't like it because we're literally at all-time highs. This is the all-time high right here. but I'm gonna try it anyways. Okay, broke all-time highs. Should have held that position. I'd be good right now. Should have definitely held it. Whatever, I took some profits on it, but it's playing out well right now. Who do we got in here? Who's in here? We got a couple people in here. Probably Lalo and Angel, maybe. All right, we're gonna retest the orb right now. I guess I'm gonna go for a orb, break and retest. Why not? What's up, Angel? What's up, bro? We're at all-time high, so I don't really love going for a long here, but I've been fighting the longs all day, and I've been losing. So I'm gonna just respect the longs. I'm gonna see if we come down to this 1 minute EMA before I take a long though, because I don't want to get caught in drawdown. Mark this mid-range too. 24. Oh. 7478 25. 4. 78 25. All right, this yellow line's our midline here. We will make the midline blue. All right, there goes the orb. I'll wait to see if we get that 1 minute EMA smacked before I go for a buy. I'm gonna take the orb this time, but I swear if this thing fucking, if it screws me, I'm gonna be pissed.
Order filled.
I am in. Thing better not screw me. This slippage lately on Tradeovate has been disrespectful. Like the slippage is insane.
Order filled.
All right, I'm in heavy now. On the big account, I'm in pretty damn heavy. On the small account, I'm in mediocrely. Let's see what happens here. I'm in pretty heavy all the way around. I'm in one full-size mini. Got a full-size mini on the 50Ks, and I got 4 minis on the big account. So I'm in pretty heavy. Got our entry at 181.25. Stop loss. Here. Big profit. I'm gonna put it up here. Go for a cool 40. Go for a 50. See if we could see something like that tonight. I don't know if we're gonna get that kind of action tonight. It's all-time high, so I got nowhere to really aim for. I got no previous highs to aim for, but we'll go for a cool little 50. I don't think we'll see that though. All right, so far so good. See if we can break that previous high. Got us down there. Gonna hold this for a little bit, see what it does. Angel, you in a position yet or not yet? We go. $481 flat. All right, so you got a slightly better entry than me. I'm at 481.25 and 481.50. So you got a slightly better position than me. How many contracts did you go in? All right, guys. So far, so good. We got to see if we can break this high right here. This previous high that we just made, we got to see if we can break this. 5 micros. All right, so you're going to see some movement. I'm in, I got one full contract running on the top on the 50 case. And I got 4 full contracts running on the bottom. So the bottom's up 500 right now. The big account's up 500. But we got to break this point right here. We're at the all-time high again. So let's see if we can snap past this. See if we can break past to get some 600 going here. We're sitting at 550. We go 550, 600. See if we can get 600. We can break past that. It's respecting that previous high right there. Give it some time, see if it can break it. There we go. That broke it. There we go. There we go. Now we're fucking cooking. I'm up 700, 750. There we go. There we go. Now we're talking. Now we're talking. Now we're talking. Come on. Keep that momentum going. Don't do all that just to do all that. Let's go. All right. Looking good so far. Where's that? 7493. 3. Gotta take profit in place. Gotta take profit going here. See if we can get up there. I don't know if we're gonna get there, but I'll put it. I gotta remember that those are there because that screwed me yesterday. So I gotta remember that those are there. That screwed me last night. I don't even want to talk about it. I forgot to hit exit all market yesterday, and well, I paid for that mistake. All right, we're above that orb right now. We're above that 1 minute EMA, so I'm gonna go ahead and switch over to. I'm gonna go ahead and switch over to the 5 minute candles now. I'm gonna watch this in the 5 minute candle. Let this play out in 5 minutes. I don't really like this 5 minute candle we're on right now. Started off very bullish and then bearish. See if we can correct some of this in this last few minutes. I don't like the way this candle's ending, so we're gonna see what this next candle does. I might put a stop at break even here. Come on, let's get a push in this last 20 seconds. Come on. There we go. It's ending better there. Oh, came back. I'm gonna go break even on these guys. I'm not in the mood to risk capital today. I'm really not. I'm gonna go break even here. So you guys are about to see me be a little bitch because I am going break even. All right, that's my entry. Going break even. There we go. I'm up 850, 850, 900. Now we're cooking. All right. I'm up 900 and I'm up 212 on the props. I'm up for a total of 1,062 on the top ones, and I'm up 1,100, 226. There we go. Okay. Now we're talking. Definitely going to break even right now. A little bit above. All right. We're safe. Risk-free trade, guys. We're up $1,200. Up 1,200. Let's go. Let's go. 1,300. Let's go. Keep on cooking. Keep on cooking. You know, I'm going to take this soon. I'm not even going to lie to you guys. I'm going to take this soon. I'm being greedy right now. I'm going to take this here soon. There we go. Come on. Keep on going, baby. Keep on going. Let's go. Let's go. Not a red candle in sight. That's what I love to see. Come on. Oh, I'm calling it soon here, guys. I'm not going to sit here and get rinsed like I did yesterday. I refuse to get rinsed like I did yesterday. Today, we're going to take this money here soon. Stitch, be quiet. And if I walk away to yell at this dog and I lose money, he's in trouble. Oh no, that's it. That dog's going up for adoption. I came back to less money than I had when I left. That's it. I got a nice bully up for adoption if anyone wants him. He's interfering with my trades here. Oof. Some pullback here. Getting some pullback here. That was a nice little run. I was up 1,300. I'm gonna sit on it for a bit. I'm at break even right now, so I mean I'm not risking anything, but I'm risking this money I got in front of me right now. I got $1,100 of profit right now sitting in front of me, and I got another $1,250 of profits on the prop firms on the top. We're holding a lot of money right now. What is that? 1,200, 1,300 with another 1,200. I don't do math. That's like 2,500. Let's see if it can go back up. Got 2 minutes on this candle. Let's see what it does. I'm doing a little reversal on the 1 minute. 1 minute showing a little bit of a reversal. 5 minute. Let's see what we got going here. So trend line, 5 minute. Oof, that's a strong reversal there, losing all my cookies. Strong reversal on that. I don't love that. Sitting at 850, 900. Let's go. Let's go. There we go. That's the right direction. Let me see that 1,000 again. Go back to 1,000. Come on. There we go. 950. Thousand. All right, now we're going. Come on, let's cook. Come on, let's go. We can hit this TP. Come on, we can get this full TP. Let's get it. Possibly come all the way back down in here. We got a trend line. So far, the highest reward was like 1,400 in profit on one, and about 1,500 in profit on the props, somewhere in that range. I'll hold this out for a little bit. We're sitting at 900 right now, and then 212 on each prop. Going down a little bit right now, but no big deal. I'll hold it. See what this next candle shows us. Hopefully, nothing crazy. It might come down into a sell. If we sell, we can sell down to this trend line right here. We can sell down to this trend line right here, and if it comes down to this trend line, we got to watch it, make sure it doesn't break it. But if it respects it and it keeps going back up, then we're going to stay in it. Hopefully it doesn't go down there yet, but it might. There it goes. It looks like it's going for it. Go. Go. See what this candle does. Hopefully it shows us something good here. Get a nice push on this. I'd love to see this 5 minute candle break that previous 5 minute. I don't know what's gonna happen on this candle though. We might have this candle as like a pullback. If it does continue to go up, this might be a pullback candle, and then the next one might do it. So gotta hang in there for a little bit. But let's see if it's got it in it. It might pass it. I'd love to see it break that trend line to the upside and just keep on going. That'll take us straight to TP. Really weak 5-minute candle compared to the last one. There we go. There we go. How's everybody looking? Write it down there in the chat. How you guys doing? Whoever's in a trade, write down how you're doing right now in the trade. If you're in a buy, how you're doing. What's your entry? My entry is 8125. 748125 is my entry. I'm gonna add to my position on the top ones. I like how this is looking. I'm gonna add to this.
Order filled.
I just added to my first position. See how this goes. That moved my entry to 748425. 748425. I'm right there, so I'm gonna go ahead and put my stop loss there, make it break even. I'm still break even, but now I can get stopped out a lot sooner. But if it goes my way, I'm gonna. Yeah, when you add, it brings you up. So if you look, I just moved my stop loss up. So now the top accounts, my stop loss is at 7484. If it goes down to 7484, that's my break even. So I'm gonna be getting out there. But you know what? If it does keep going this way, I'm gonna make a lot more money. So that's why I added to it. But yes, it does bring up your entry. So like, look, I might get stopped out right now. And that's all good. If I get stopped out, I get stopped out. No big deal. But I might get stopped out on these right now. We'll see. But they're at break even. So if I get stopped out, I'm not going to lose anything. Maybe a couple bucks on slippage. But if they get stopped out, I'm more worried about the other one I have running, because if those get stopped out, that means we're breaking that trend line that I drew. Because right now we're testing that trend line. So as long as we respect that trend line, we're good. So my entry was at 7481.50, and when I added another contract, it moved it up to 7484.25, just to give you an idea how much it moves it up. All right, I might get stopped out on these top ones up here. But like I said, if I get stopped out, it's no big deal. The way I see it, if it does stop me out, it's still break even. So it's not a losing trade. It's not a winning trade, but it's not a losing trade. So I might get stopped out there. I mean, the highest those were like 250. So I'm not risking that much of my profits that I made on that. There we go. Now we're cooking back up in the right direction. There we go. Back at 1,200. And a buy, one in at 74.8150. Okay, perfect, Lalo. You got it at the same entry as mine. It should be good. How many contracts did you go with, Lalo? This candle here just opened up on the outside of that trend line. That I don't love. So let's see if we can push up from here. Hopefully we get up out of there. Okay, there we go. Gonna push back up. Up 1,100 right now. On the big count, up 250 on the small 50Ks. 250 a piece. Those are up 1,250 total. See if we can keep pushing in this direction. I want to see if we break that previous high that we made over here. I want to see if we can break 74.88. There we go. Nice little push. Nice little push. We're up 1,300 and 350, 375, 400. Let's go. Come on, let's break that previous high. Come on, guys. We're all cooking up right now. Everybody's in profit. I know it because we all get the same entry. Everybody's cooking up some profits right now. I might take this here, guys, on the big one. I'm up 1,250. I'm up 1,376, 1,500 on the day right now. On the 150K account. That's a good day. 1,500 bucks. TP's right there though, so I might let it ride. I'd like to see 2,000 on this. If I can see 2,000 on this account, that would be good. came close to taking out that previous high, but we didn't quite make it. So I'm looking at possibly exiting here, guys, if I see this start going against us, because we were aiming for that previous high and we didn't make it all the way there. So let's see. Got a minute left here. Let's see how this candle finishes, and let's see how the next one starts. But I might take profits here soon. TP's not far away. TP's at 7493, but I don't want to risk the capital. I'm already up 1300 on the day on the big one. I'm up 1500 on the props right now. So if we get a strong push, I'll stay in it. Took 160. I gotta get on the zoom. Take it, bro. Take it. 160 is better than nothing, bro. 160 is better than nothing, bro. That's a win. Five seconds left on this candle. Let's see what this next candle does. It's gonna be my deciding factor right there. Oh, everybody's gone. I guess I should just take my money. I mean, I was trading for them, and my guys are gone right now, so. This candle just started. I'm gonna let this candle play out a little bit. I'm gonna see what it does. And when it shows me weakness, then I'm gonna go ahead and cut the trade. I'm up 1250 on this trade, up 1426 on the day right now for one prop, and I'm up 1600 on the other props. So we're up right now a good amount. It's a great night already, so anything I take around here is gonna be good. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this, guys. Getting some resistance here. I'm gonna go ahead and cut profits here. I'm sitting at 1476. See if I can see that clear 1500 again, but I don't know if I'm gonna get it. It's bouncing back off there. It's reversing. It's going back and forward right here. Not quite sure what it wants to do. I'm gonna take this profits, guys. 1250, 1250. Still up 1426 on the night. It's freezing up right now. I don't like when it does that. It's glitching. Come on, bounce up. It's going down here, going down pretty hard. I knew something was gonna happen because the shit started glitching. There we go. Got a minute and 30 seconds left on this 5-minute candle. I don't really love how this candle performed, to be honest. I keep saying it, but I think I'm gonna take my profits here. Tell you what, I'm gonna take profits on the big account. I'm gonna leave the small ones running. Damn, I should have taken it. I literally said it, dude. I don't know why I don't listen to myself. I knew something was coming. I knew something was coming. Come on. Come on, dude. Hello? I'll open it. Yeah, it was doing that earlier. It was doing that earlier. I got it. Taking those damn profits. Come on, there we go. Let's push back up. Let me get out of here safely. All right, let's see. Let's see if we can go back up here. There we go. There we go. We got a nice little push here. Got a nice little push going. Let's push up. Let's see if we can do a movement to the upside like we just did to the downside. That would be great. Come on. Push up. Push up. Push up. Push up. There we go. There we go. Come on. Come on. There we go. Come on. Come on. There we go. There we go. Give me a little bit more. Give me a little bit more. I'll get out. Give me a little bit more. I'll get out. Give me a little bit more and I'll get out. Come on. Give me a little bit more. I'll get out. Come on. Come on. I have a dog up for adoption. Everyone wants a dog. I got a dog up for adoption. Come on. Give me a little bit more. Give me a little bit more. Come on, we're gonna break that. Let's break it. Give me 1,300 again. I'm not gonna get out anyway, but just give me 1,300. Lalo, you still in? You still in the trade, Lalo? You holding it? I know you're in here, Lalo. I see one other person. I know it's you. Angel already got out because he had to get on a Zoom. Let me know if you're still holding it, Lalo. I don't want to be the only one holding it. So if you're out, I'm gonna get out too. Yeah, I'm still holding it. Are you gonna wait all the way for TP? You gonna wait all the way to the top, or you're gonna get out? Oh, well, there we go. We broke 1350. I said if we got 1350, I was gonna get out. I lied. You see, I always do that. I'm gonna get out here soon, Lalo. Just so you know, I'm gonna take this. So there's a $1,500 day right now. I'm gonna snag that. Start trailing your stop loss, Lalo. So if it does come against you, you protect your profits. So don't leave your stop loss where it was. Put it into profits already. So that way, no matter what, it's a green day. You can. I'm gonna get out, but the orb already broke. So I broke the orb, and it's coming back down a little bit right now. Put your stop loss somewhere around like 74.84, because if it comes back down there, the trade's gonna probably be invalidated. So put it around 74.84, and that way, if it does go against you, you're still gonna get some profit, and you won't be red on the trade. That's really the only purpose of that. We're at 1,300 again. We're just kissing that 1,300. I mean, we could break it, but we could literally smash down, man. We could smash down to the downside. Come on, baby. Break. Break to the upside. Come on. Break, break, break. 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 I'm out.
Order filled.
I'm up 1,500 on those. I'm gonna leave the other ones running. I'm up $1,500 on the big account. I'm gonna let the small ones, the 50Ks, keep running. We're up 375 a pop on those, so we're up 1875 on those. So I got those running still. I took profits. I have my stop loss on those at 74.84. Stop loss is at 74.84. I'm gonna let those run. I'm gonna let those run a full TP. Hopefully we catch it. I just didn't want to risk it with a big one. Yeah, I'm gonna buy. There we go. Damn, we're cooking now. I should have stayed in it. Woo! We're cooking. You jumped in a buy right now? Out of your mind. There we go. There we go. Come on. Come on. I'm up 2,200. Come on, come on. Go back, baby. Go back. Shit, that double tapped the previous high. It slightly broke it, so it should be good. Let's see if we can get a continuation. Let's see if we can get a continuation to the upside. Come on, go back, baby. Go back. I might get out here, guys. I might get out. You move my camera. You're good. Oh shit, there we go. We gotta push back to the downside there. Come on, don't do this to me. Don't do this to me. Go up, go up. I don't fucking love it. I might get out. I don't love it. We're down about $200 right now from where we just were. Come on, come on. Give me a reason to stay in. Give me a reason to stay in. Come on. Fuck. Should have taken that $400. Go. You can bring the chair over here. Come on, come on, come on. There we go. Okay. All right, we're going back in the right direction. Let's just see if we can keep it going. There we go. See if we can get a push here. Come on. This shit was going up and just decided to shoot back down. Not looking great. I don't like this. We came outside of my trend line as well. We're outside of that 5-minute trend line. Always gonna expect some kind of reversal, some kind of rejection whenever you're going up this high. But I don't know when this is planning on stopping. 9 o'clock. So it's 9 o'clock right now, actually. So it's Asian session. China session's opening right now. That's probably why we're experiencing this. I'm gonna move my stop. I'm gonna go from being a profit to risking money now. This is ridiculous. I'm gonna move my stop. Because I don't want to get stopped out. I'm about to get stopped out. I don't know how far I'm gonna move it, but I'm gonna move it. Keep moving it. 483, so 482, 481. All right, so I moved my stop pretty much all the way to my original entry, but I added to my position. So if we get down to my original entry, I'm gonna be down a couple $100. So hopefully it doesn't go that way. Is the China open right now, so that's what we're experiencing right now. Is China's open. Okay. Hopefully that was the worst of the drawdown. Hopefully it doesn't get any worse than that. It keeps going back up. Keep in mind, my take profit up here is just solely based off of ticks. I just went for 50 ticks because we're at all-time highs right now. There is no zone up here for me to base it off of. So this is just, figure we can safely go for 50 ticks, but that's all this is based off. So there's nothing that we're aiming for up here except for hoping that we get there, because there's no zone above this. Lalo, if you still got your stop at 184, you might get stopped out because we're pretty close, but it wouldn't be the worst thing because it may reverse on us. So I moved my stop because I'm dense, but I would say leave your stop at 184. And if it gets stopped out, at least you get taken out in profit. You're gonna get taken out right now, I think. Well, at least you'll be taken out in profit. Better to go close out green than lose money, you know? I'm about to go negative on mine because I added that position. If not, I would still have a lot more room to go down, but I added that position, so mine's gonna go negative soon. There we go. Going back in the right direction. Let's keep that momentum going. See if we can't reverse this. Hopefully that was just a little bit of a pullback and not an actual reversal. That would be ideal. If it was just a pullback. There we go. This is China's open. Let's see how this 15-minute candle plays out. going back up. I made it. Huh? Spotify is playing on my channel. I'm gonna give this a few more minutes, and if I don't see this going back, I'm just gonna close this out. I don't feel like sitting here all night. 9:10 right now. I'm gonna give it till the end of the China Open to decide what I'm gonna do. China Open ends at 9:15. I'm gonna wait to see what it's doing. China Open. Good thing I took profits on the big account though, so I secured that 1500. So I got 1500 secured already. Price is going back up right now. Two minutes, 50 seconds left on this orb. Your price starts going up our direction. There we go. We're getting a nice pushback now. Yeah, the only one in there. I'm sure he's still holding the trade. We get back to that 400 I saw earlier. I'm just gonna take that 400 on each account. We get back there, I'm getting out. Don't love that. Don't love that at all. Lalo is still in. He's about to get taken out right now. Especially about to go red on the top accounts for the first time tonight. They've been in green this whole time. It's all right though. I'm gonna let this keep riding. See what this does. 15 minutes is about to end right now. We got 30 seconds left. I'll see what this actually does after their first 15 minutes ends. and then I'll decide from there. Got a new 15-minute candle open right now. Let's see if this candle can reverse this action. Looks like we're gonna visit that 1-minute EMA. Probably where the price is going. Looks like we're gonna shoot straight down to that 1-minute EMA. So I'm gonna wait till we get to the 1-minute EMA and see what happens. If we end up going there. Got a good run right here though. There we go. There we go. I just saw red for the first time tonight, so these accounts went red. We're gonna let this ride anyways. Very glad I took that big account out with that $1,500 profit for the day. How many contracts you have? 2 micros? I just let it run. The likelihood of it going back up is extremely high. There goes 1-minute EMA tested. That's what I was waiting for. So now that it tested the 1-minute EMA, let's see if it goes back up into a buy from here. Now, if it blows past the 1-minute EMA, then I'll probably get out. I still think ultimately price is going to continue to go back up towards it throughout the night session, but I'm not trying to sit here all night. Woo. And jump down aggressively. I'm down 150 right now on these. Got a stop in place. I stop way down. All my stops right here. Actually, I might get stopped out. I don't want to get stopped. Hit my stop. Should have hit your stop a long time ago, Lalo. I told you to put your stop at 7,484. You should have been out. Where was your stop at, Lalo? Probably had it at break even. Not break even. He was at 81.50. All right, let's see. I'm gonna hold this motherfucker. There we go. There we go. There we go. There you go. That's what I'm talking about. Keep going. Bring it back to green. 7482. So did you make any money? I mean, you didn't make much. You were at 7481. You sat in the trade to make a couple bucks. That sucks. Whatever. At least it wasn't red, man. Better than being red. I'm back in profit now. Sorry, guys. I'm still in it. Back in profit. Back up 150. Lalo got stopped out for pretty much break even. I'm still in it. I took 15 on the big account, so I'm up 1500 on the big account, and I'm up 125 on the small ones right now. Had a nice little pullback here, so I'm hoping that it corrects itself. But I'm gonna hold these for a little bit. The highest they were was 400, so if they get back to 400, I'm gonna take it. Up 305 in the session. Nice. Good job, bro. Good job, Angel. Lalo was probably up a good amount at one point because the price went up there. While you were gone, the price shot up a good amount. But I'm down again right now. Price is reversing on me. The big account's up, and I closed that, so that's all that matters. I'll let these little ones ride a little bit. Not too worried about them. I'm going to hold the buy because I think the price is going to go back. Huh? Could have already. If you're going to do it, you've done it. I was just down $200. Just let it ride. Don't be scared. I'm gonna let this thing ride a little bit. Not gonna take a loss right now. I'm at $25 down, so I'm only down 25 bucks. I'm gonna let it go for a little bit. Every once in a while, guys, you gotta hit the little the live button on the screen, because I just looked at my screen and it was behind, and I just touched the live button and now it's live again. So every once in a while, you guys gotta hit that live button. I don't know why it does that. $63. You're not you said 40 again right now? Plus the 63? Oh. Oh. Push back up. Look at him come after your ass. The homeless guy. There we go. There we go. Back up to $75. There we go. There we go. One back down. I'm up. I'm still green on the day they're up 25 bucks, but they were up 400 earlier. I should have cashed out. I cashed out the big one when we were up, but I left the little one going. I wanted to see if we get full TP on the little ones and still hold it. It sucks. I'm a little bit, bummed that Lalo got taken out at 74.82 and his entry was 74.8150, so he literally made like a couple bucks. That sucks for being in the trade for that long. We were in that trade for at least 15, 30, 35. He was in that trade for 45 minutes. He was in 5. Lalo was in 5 contracts, so that means at the highest point he was in at 81.50. At the highest point, we went up 30 ticks. So 30 ticks times 625. 625 times 30. He was up 187 at the highest. He was up 187. Yeah, he got taken out. His stop got hit. Had to stop above break even. We're working our way back up slowly. Slowly but surely we're going back up. I don't want to be here all night. I gotta get ice cream still. It's 9:27. Oh, what the hell? 9:27. I gotta get some ice cream still. They close at 11, so I still got some time. Gotta get my ice cream, man. Made 1,500 buckaroos on one account, and these are back up 175. So it sounds like ice cream is called for. Get myself a blizzard. Get myself a cookies and cream blizzard after this. Get the blizzard. There we go. Let's get it. Come on. Push up. Two. There we go. There we go. All right, not looking bad. We're up 1,000 on the props right now in the 50s, and I closed out the big prop at 1,500. So as of right now, it's a $2,500 night. I'm gonna hold this out a little bit though. We're up 200 on each account. I'm gonna hold it. I'm gonna try. If we can get to 400 on each account again, I'm gonna take it. Because 400 on each account, that had me at 2,000 profit for the night. All right, let's see. I don't really like what I just noticed right here. So I'm gonna mark it. I'm gonna go 5 minutes, see if it's valid on the 5 minute. I see a little trend line right now forming on the 15 minute. Okay, on the 5 minute, it's not really valid. 15 minutes it looked valid, but 5 minute doesn't look valid. Let's hope we can break above that regardless though. We need to break above that line right there. If we break above that line, we'll be good. Here we go. Come on, let's push. Let's break above that. So that next candle just opened right at that trend line I just drew. I moved the trend line. My bad. Didn't mean to do that. There we go. Come on. Come on, let's go. Give me that push. There we go. Now we're talking. Now we're cooking again. I like what I'm seeing so far. I think we're going to go back up to my zone right here. This is my 400 zone. That blue line is where I was at 400. So we go back up there. I am going to take it. There we go. Nice push. Nice push. Again, guys, make sure you push that live button because my stuff lags if you don't push that live button. I don't know why. Every once in a while, you got to touch the screen and just make sure that the button that says live is red next to it. Because if it's not red, it's not live. You're going to be behind. No, we'll go give him one. Price is going back down right now. Still looking good though. I'm still happy with how this is looking. I'll hold it. I'm going to hold it still. It wants me to give up. That's why I'm not going to give up yet. I'm going to hold it. I'm going to wait to see. Now, if we go back down to that EMA, and we're talking something different, I might get out at that point. Let's see how this looks on the 15-minute. 5-minute. Let's go to the 15-minute. All right. We got 11 minutes left on this candle. This candle's probably going to sell off the rest of this 15-minute candle. Probably going to be a red candle. Definitely doing a downtrend right now, but it did this to me yesterday and it faked me out, and then I switched it up, went into a reversal, and then it took me out again the other way. So I'm gonna just let it ride this time. I'm only down $25 right now on one set of accounts. The other account's up $1,500 for the night, so no matter what, it's a green night. I'm gonna let this ride a little bit, see what it does. Might even go back and retest the orb completely. Just let it run. Anyone else in here in a trade right now? Angel, you in a trade? Lalo, whoever else is in here. You guys, anyone in the trade? It's back below that 1 minute EMA again. Why are you trying to sell while I'm in a buy, man? Don't do that to me. What are you doing, bro? I hope that sell reverses on you. Angel. I'll go ahead and sell. See how that's gonna work out for you. My buy is strong. We're gonna go back into this buy. You guys are gonna see. I know how I'm about to get my 400. I'm just gonna add another position. Add another position, and then that's it. Get my 400 real quick. Which one was the O? Technically, right now it's below the kind of open. All right. About to double down. About to DCA on this bitch. I'm about to DCA on this bitch. Bring my price down a little bit. Damn it, I missed my chance. I should have DCA'd when it was at 150 negative. It's only 50 negative, and I'm not going to DCA at 50 negative. If it goes back down to 150, though, I'm adding double the contracts. And we're either going to eat or I'm going to give some back, but it's all right. Markets give and take, that's all. Damn it. Should have added it. I'm going to add it right now. I don't give a fuck. I'm about to add it anyways. Back at that EMA.
Order filled.
All right, I'm in double positions now. So now I'm in 4 fucking contracts. It's just either gonna go or it's gonna fucking bust. But I'm tired of sitting here, so it's gonna be one or the other. I'm gonna dick around with this shit for my little $500. I'm already up 1,500 on the other one. So now we get this one up to 400, 500, then we'll be good. Absolutely. I would not suggest anybody do what I just did. Because if this shit goes against me, it's going to be ugly fast. So I don't suggest anyone does it, but that's what I'm going to do. I don't really give a fuck about these accounts, to be honest. Oh, pussy, I should have DCA when I was at the bottom last time. I'd be in a good position right now. Two minutes left on this 15-minute candle. Looks like we're going back to the orb. Oh shit, I gotta stop someplace. I gotta take these off. I'm not getting out of nothing. Get out of here. I ain't taking no stops until I'm in the green. Or until I'm down like 600 bucks and I'll stop myself. That might happen sooner than I think. We're down 575. That was quick. 625. Okay, so I lied. I'm not getting out at 600. All right, there goes the orb. It just touched the orb. That was a nasty reversal. Boy, man, I really am glad I closed out my big account. At least I got that 1,500. These are kind of more like my YOLO accounts. Don't really give a fuck about these. The big one, though, if I pop that one, I would be mad. Because that one's already live funded. We just retested the orb. So let's see if it goes back into a buy from here. Or it could just bust straight down and just take me out for the day. $1,000 loss limit. Very possible. Will happen very quick with 4 contracts. It won't take much. That's where I should have DCA. I should have DCA down here. That would have been a good idea. That may be the peak for the highs today, because remember, these are all-time highs right now, so it might not go any higher. So this might just go into a sell-off the rest of the session, honestly. In which case, I'm gonna get waxed here for $1,000 in probably the next few minutes. But again, these are my YOLO accounts, so I don't really care about them. There we go. We're at 675 down right now, so yeah, they're gonna get popped. I'm not taking it out. 780, 80.25. That's it. They're gonna crack right now. There we go. That's it. Done.
Order filled.
And that's how you lose $1,000, my friends. You can only see that here. Promise you, no one else will show you that. That's how you drop $1,000 real quick. That's all right though. It is what it is. Took profits on the account that matters, the live funded one. Popped those. Just gives me an excuse to get new ones. And yeah, that's it. So hopefully nobody else got popped like me. We were in profit plenty of times to take profits, so hopefully you guys grab profits today. That thing is dumping. That thing is dumping. I'm glad I took out my big account. I really should have taken out these because they were in profit at 400 when I took these out. But you know what? It is what it is. It is what it is. He didn't take it. It is what it is, though. Well, 9:47. I still got time to go get ice cream. Even though I popped those accounts, I'm still gonna go get ice cream because I did make 1,500 on the other one. So still up for the night. That one's live funded, so that's the only one I really cared about. That's why I closed it out. I probably really should have treated the other ones the same way, but you know, it is what it is. I didn't really care about them that much because those are still evals. This one's live funded, so I'm trying to protect that. But all right, that's it. I'm gonna cut this stream. Made some, lost some, no biggie. Good night still, in my opinion. Hope you guys did good too.